This is Chad. I'm with Kevin again, and this is the second video in our 6-video series on soldering. In this video, we'll be talking about flux, solder tip size, and solder wire size.
Thanks, Chad. So the key to getting a really good solder joint is to reach the correct temperature, maintain the correct temperature, and keep your work surfaces clean. Flux is absolutely key in all of those. Flux helps to transfer heat from your soldering iron to the work surface. It also has a cleaning agent to remove any oxides that may be on the surfaces that you're soldering. You want to dab a small amount of flux onto the board in the area that you're about to solder. Introduce your heat and allow that to reach temperature. You'll see the solder bubble for 1 to 2 seconds and smoke, and then you can start applying your solder. If the solder wire is too large, you will not be able to control your feed rate properly, and also a large diameter solder may pull too much heat away to maintain correct temperature on your joint. Similarly, if you're using a very thin solder point, solder tip, you'll have a very small contact area between the solder tip and your board. This will give you a very low heat transfer rate, and you may not be able to maintain the correct temperature. For lead-free solder, you want to run at a temperature of about 260, no more than 270 degrees C. For lead-based solder, you can run 240 to 250 C.
That concludes this video. In our next video, we'll be talking about cleaning solder tips.